Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. I'm so excited to be sharing my passion for yoga with you. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or just starting out, this channel is a space for us to explore the incredible world of yoga together. Yoga is more than just a physical practice. It's a journey of self-discovery, strength, and inner peace. Millions of people around the world have discovered the transformative power of yoga. Why not embark on this journey yourself? From improving flexibility and balance to reducing stress and finding a sense of calm, yoga has the power to transform your life in countless ways. In this video, we're diving deep into the essentials that can elevate your practice to new heights, helping you create a truly fulfilling and transformative experience on the mat. Do not miss out anything in this video. Watch it without skipping. So now, let's get started. Yoga is an incredible practice that benefits both your body and mind. Let's explore how it improves strength, flexibility, and mindfulness. Firstly, yoga builds strength by engaging various muscle groups through holding poses. These poses, like plank or downward-facing dog, require you to support your own body weight, building functional strength over time. Secondly, yoga is known for improving flexibility. Regular practice helps lengthen and stretch muscles, increasing your range of motion and making everyday movements easier. Finally, yoga cultivates mindfulness by encouraging you to focus on your breath and be present in the moment. This practice helps quiet the mind, reduce stress, and promotes a sense of inner peace. Starting your yoga journey can feel exciting, but also a tad overwhelming with all the equipment options available. Don't worry, a good yoga kit can provide everything you need to begin and enhance your practice. A well-equipped kit ensures you have the tools to practice comfortably and safely, allowing you to focus on your breath and the movements without distractions. It's like having a little piece of your yoga studio right at home. Investing in a quality yoga kit is an investment in your well-being. It shows a commitment to your practice and can motivate you to show up on your mat more often. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned yogi, having the right tools can make all the difference in your practice. Let's delve into the essential components of a fantastic yoga kit. The foundation of any yoga practice is, of course, the mat. It's your sacred space where you move, breathe, and connect with yourself. A good yoga mat provides cushioning for your joints, ensuring comfort during long holds and challenging poses. It also offers grip to prevent slipping, keeping you stable and safe throughout your practice. When choosing a mat, consider the thickness, material, and texture. Look for one that suits your body and practice style. Remember, your mat should feel like a welcoming and supportive space. Now let's explore some fantastic yoga mat options available online. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option without compromising on comfort, then the Boldfit yoga mats, Fitness Mantra yoga mat, NBR yoga and exercise mat, and Yogikuti yoga mat from Amazon, India are an excellent choice. These mats provide ample cushioning, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced yogis. Its textured surface offers a good grip, keeping you stable during various poses. These mats may come in a variety of colors, allowing you to express your personal style on the mat. Plus, it's lightweight and easy to roll up, making it perfect for both home practice and taking to the studio. Check out the links in the description below for the best deals on the yoga mats. Yoga blocks are often misunderstood, but they're incredible tools that can greatly enhance your practice. They're not about making poses easier, they're about making them more accessible. Blocks help you achieve proper alignment in various poses by providing extra support and stability. For example, in seated poses, blocks can elevate the hips, allowing for a straighter spine and deeper stretches. They also assist in improving flexibility by providing modifications for challenging poses. By bringing the floor closer to you, blocks help you gradually work towards the full expression of a pose. Let's explore some fantastic yoga block options available online. The Gaiam Essentials Yoga Block set from Amazon, India is a fantastic option for both beginners and experienced yogis. These lightweight and durable blocks are made from high-quality foam and come in a set of 2. Their lightweight design makes them easy to handle and transport, while their sturdy construction ensures they can withstand regular use. The Gaiam Essentials blocks are also available in various colors, allowing you to personalize your practice space. Click the link in the description below to learn more about the Gaiam Essentials Yoga Block Set and grab yours today. For eco-conscious yogis, the Strauss Yoga Blocks available on Flipkart are an excellent choice. These blocks are made from sustainable cork, making them a natural and environmentally friendly option. Cork provides a comfortable and non-slip grip, ensuring stability during your practice. The Strauss blocks are also lightweight and durable, making them suitable for both home and studio use. If you're looking for high-quality, eco-friendly yoga blocks, the Strauss Yoga Blocks are definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description for the best prices and deals. A yoga strap is another versatile tool that can greatly benefit your practice, especially when it comes to improving flexibility and deepening stretches. Straps help you extend your reach in poses where your flexibility might be limited. For example, in seated forward bends, a strap can help you lengthen the spine and reach for your feet. They also provide support in challenging poses, allowing you to hold the pose for longer and deepen the stretch. By using a strap, you can gradually improve your flexibility without putting excessive strain on your muscles. Let's explore some fantastic yoga strap options available online. The Boldfit Yoga Belt Strap, available on Amazon India, Flipkart, and is a reliable and durable option for yogis of all levels. Made from high-quality cotton, this 6-foot strap is built to last. It features D-rings that allow for easy adjustments, ensuring a secure and comfortable hold during your practice. The Boldfit Yoga Belt is also machine washable, making it easy to keep clean and hygienic. For a durable and reliable yoga strap that will support your practice for years to come, check out the Boldfit Yoga Belt Strap on Amazon India and Flipkart. The Boldfit and AJRO Deal. Yoga Strap, available on Flipkart, are a versatile and adjustable straps designed to enhance your flexibility and deepen your stretches. These straps features a buckle closure that allows for quick and easy adjustments, ensuring a secure hold during your practice. Its adjustable length makes it suitable for yogis of all heights and flexibility levels. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, the Boldfit and AJRO Deal Yoga Strap can help you achieve greater flexibility and deepen your practice. Check out the links in the description for the best deals on Flipkart. For those just starting their yoga journey, opting for a complete beginner kit can be incredibly convenient and cost-effective. These kits typically include all the essentials you need to get started, such as a mat, blocks, a strap, and sometimes even a carrying bag. Investing in a complete kit ensures you have all the necessary tools from the get-go, eliminating the guesswork of purchasing individual items. It's a wonderful way to dive into your practice without feeling overwhelmed. Many online retailers offer a variety of complete yoga kits to choose from, catering to different budgets and preferences. Be sure to explore the options and find a kit that resonates with you. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey into the essentials of yoga. I hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration to enhance your practice. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow yogis. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more yoga tips, tutorials, and inspiration. Wishing you a wonderful day filled with peace, joy, and lots of lovely yoga. And remember, the mat is always there for you, waiting to welcome you back. Don't forget to check the video description for links to all the products mentioned, available at the best prices.